A year ago, we thought we found what we believe to be signs of microbial life on the Mars surface. And so we
Imagine waking up one morning to hear NASA say the words humanity has been waiting centuries to hear. We may not be alone. Not because of signals from distant stars. Not because of giant spacecraft hovering over Earth. But because of something found just next door on Mars. This isn't science fiction. This is real. NASA's Perseverance rover has uncovered something extraordinary. Potential biosignatures, subtle chemical fingerprints that could mean life once thrived on the red planet. Today, we'll dive into what exactly was discovered, why it matters, and what it could mean for our place in the universe. The announcement centers on rocks from Jezero Crater, an ancient lakebed scientists have long suspected might hold evidence of past life. In 2023, Perseverance drilled into a rock named Chiava Falls, part of a region known as Sapphire Canyon. What the rover uncovered was striking. A combination of elements and minerals, carbon-based compounds, sulfur, phosphorus, and oxidized iron, arranged in patterns that caught scientists' attention. Among these patterns were strange leopard spots, dark mineral patches that appear where chemical reactions once took place. These reactions could, in theory, have been triggered by microbial activity billions of years ago. What are biosignatures? A biosignature is any chemical or structural clue that might suggest life. On Earth, things like fossilized stromatolites, specific organic molecules, or mineral structures altered by microbes qualify as biosignatures. But here's the key: biosignatures are potential evidence, not proof. Geological processes can mimic biological ones. A chemical reaction without life can still leave behind similar traces. And that's why NASA is careful. They didn't announce life found on Mars, but a potential biosignature detected. Why is this important? Mars is a desert now, cold and hostile. But billions of years ago, it had rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. If life ever took root there, even microbes, it would mean life is not unique to Earth. This discovery doesn't prove life existed, but it adds a powerful piece of evidence to the puzzle. Combined with earlier findings of organics, methane plumes, and ancient water flows, the case for Mars as a once-living world is stronger than ever. How do scientists verify this? NASA isn't stopping at detection. The Perseverance rover has cached rock samples that future missions aim to return to Earth. Only in advanced labs here can scientists truly confirm whether the patterns in Chiava Falls rock are biological or geological. Until then, we wait, knowing the truth might be inside a container of Martian dust, already sealed and waiting for return. For generations, Mars has symbolized mystery. Canals, little green men, deserts under a red sky. But now the story is no longer science fiction. It's data, real chemistry, real rocks, and perhaps the first whispers of a story bigger than ourselves that if one planet next door once harbored life. What does that say about the billions of worlds beyond? The Perseverance rover's discovery is not the final answer, but it may be the opening chapter of one of humanity's greatest revelations that we may not be alone. And the proof might just be locked inside a rock, waiting for us to bring it home.